Here we go with the Audi S4 2004 B6 V8. This baby is definitely tuned with the Unitronic Stage 2, the highest tune you can get. It has APR, Carbinator, intake, full exhaust, or catback exhaust. We just did the full chain guides, the whole timing chain setup. We did the sprockets. We did everything. This baby is running right. Quite a few other parts were changed. We did the all steel bearing, a throwout bearing. The clutch was replaced at I think 115. Pressure plate as well from the previous owner. We did a it has ECS stabilizer, link bars. It has ECS oil dipstick. Replaced brand new platinum spark plugs. The oil pickup at the top. Just check the description in my eBay listing and you can see a bunch of other items that I purchased. Brand new Bilstein shocks all around. New bumps in the front for the Bilstein shocks. Just, you know, I did I refurbished or remanufactured the rims. These are rare OZ rims, 2-piece. You'll see that in the pictures in the video. There we go. This is the all wanting 6-speed. It has a short throw shifter. You'll see that in the description as well. You know, the lights, I have aftermarket corner lights, so that's why that light is on. The airbag light is again probably for the passenger side. There's a the connection that gets loose, so it's a passenger side that you just have to take out the connection, either put it back or just get rid of the connection and just, you know, clip the wires together. That light will come off. I'll see if I'll do that before the sale. But you know, another Stevens Customs. You know, this is the if you looked at my other auction or my other videos, you'll see the cars that I've had. You know, most of them have gone for sale, whether it went to Europe or Dubai or you know, somewhere in the United States. People come pick up the cars, they drive them 10 hours plus with no problem. I'm not selling junk, but this is the S4 V8. Mileage about 171. Oil just changed, so you can see that here the oil was done. It was done at 170, 78. Great. Interior is great condition, clean. Recaro seats. You can see everything is clean. We have the rear bay. I guess that the dog net. It has both of them. When you put the seats down, he has the other net that goes up. It has a cover in the back. This is a clean vehicle. All windows work. You can see the trim as well. You see the motor. Dual exhaust is sounds really nice. Front end is, you know, I did the grill. If you want the original grill, let me know. I have the original front grill, but custom S4. See, APR, Carbinator, however you pronounce it. These are new covers. They usually break, so those are replaced. ECS. ECS parts for the sway bar. You hear it. These are the OZs, 2-piece OZ Opera. These are 18-inch. Nice. I think they're 18 by 9 or something like that. Brand new tires, 235/40 18s. Tire wears phenomenal. The body is in great condition. Unitronic, many German parts, Unitronic ECS tuning. Tires are brand new. Again, the rims are all brand new. Great. Car's in superb condition. You see the exhaust. Hear it. Clean car. Gear shocks. Dipsticks. The car is in clean condition. Custom rack. So it's up for sale. You can reach me if you want to look. Other custom joints coming out. Superb condition. Clean. The bows. Has the rear shades. Everything works. Seat. My rips. This car's a beast.